Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel, where we take your cleanliness to the next level. Today, we're diving deep into the art and science of commercial cleaning, ensuring your workspace is spotless, safe, and ready for success. Whether you're an operational manager or just curious about the behind-the-scenes magic, this video is for you. First things first, let's break down the different levels of cleaning services: basic, rad, and radical. Each of these scopes offers a unique level of attention to detail, ensuring your space is clean, no matter the need. Basic scope of work. Removing trash and liners as needed is crucial to avoid that dreaded overflow situation. Next, we move on to cleaning all horizontal surfaces below 6 feet. This means desks, countertops, and other work surfaces. Spot vacuuming carpeted areas keeps them looking fresh between deep cleans, while arranging office furniture isn't just about aesthetics. It creates a more organized and efficient workspace. Cleaning the inside of microwaves and spot cleaning interior glass below 6 feet are also part of the basic package. In break rooms and restrooms, the basic scope includes cleaning counters, sinks, tables, and open surface areas. The floors are swept, cleaned, and mopped, while restroom mirrors, fixtures, and dispensers are also cleaned. Rad scope of work. The RAD scope takes cleaning to the next level, adding more comprehensive tasks to ensure a deeper clean. In addition to all basic tasks, RAD includes dusting ledges and partitions on a quarterly basis, cleaning front door glass, and wiping down towel dispensers and dividers. This level also involves dusting blinds, performing high-low dusting of ceiling vents, baseboards, and hallway corners up to 6 feet. This is crucial for maintaining air quality and overall cleanliness in your space. In the break rooms, the RAD service covers wiping down the exterior of appliances, cleaning switch plates, and dusting ceiling vents once a month. Restocking supplies of paper towels, tissue, and hand soap in restrooms is also covered under RAD. Radical scope of work. For those who want a top-to-bottom cleaning, the radical scope is the way to go. This level includes all basic and RAD tasks, plus more intensive work. In addition to the tasks covered in the RAD scope, radical cleaning includes wall-to-wall vacuuming of carpet areas once a month and dusting ceiling vents, AC units, and baseboards more thoroughly. The radical scope also involves a deeper clean in restrooms, focusing on high-low dusting beyond the basic 6 feet, ensuring every corner is spotless. This level is perfect for spaces that need an immaculate appearance and feel, whether it's for a special event or regular maintenance. Chemical supplies for single and multi-tenant buildings. At Dan the Cleaning Man, we understand that the right cleaning chemicals are essential to achieving a pristine environment. That's why we partner with reliable labor providers to supply the necessary chemicals for single-tenant, and we provide the chemicals for multi-tenant buildings. We use high-quality, industry-standard products like neutral cleaners, such as Alpha and Stride for maintaining floors and surfaces, and glass cleaners like Glance to keep windows and mirrors sparkling. For restroom maintenance, we rely on toilet bowl cleaners such as NABC or Crew, which ensure that every restroom is hygienic and fresh. And when it comes to finishing floors, we use top-notch products like Signature or Vectra to give your floors a beautiful, long-lasting shine. Now that we know what needs to be cleaned, let's talk about the tools of the trade. The right tools make all the difference in achieving a spotless finish. From the basics like mops, buckets, and brooms to specialized equipment like window cleaners and neutral floor cleaners, each tool plays a crucial role in the cleaning process. Microfiber towels and sponges are excellent for capturing dust and grime, while chemical-resistant nitrile gloves are a must for safety when handling cleaning agents. Remember, having the right supplies isn't just about efficiency, it's about safety too. To wrap things up, here are some pro tips and tricks that our team at Dan the Cleaning Man channel swears by. Using a flat mopping system can speed up floor cleaning and give a more even finish. When cleaning stainless steel, avoid harsh chemicals. Stick with a specialized stainless steel cleaner for the best results. For wood floors, an oil soap is your best friend. And when it comes to carpets, a good spot cleaner can tackle those inevitable spills. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to keeping your commercial space clean and pristine. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, these tips will help you maintain a clean, healthy, and welcoming environment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more expert tips from Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Until next time, keep it clean!